Hi, myself Biramesh, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department, WITS Warangal. Welcome to WITS Connect. Okay, as earlier class we have discussed about some of the problems and the Hatton governor. Okay, today's session we have discussed about the Proell governor. Okay, this is the Proell governor. In this Proell governor, the balls are fixed at B and C. These are two balls. Those balls are fixed at B and C to extension of the links DF. Okay, to extension of link D to F. This is the point of F, DF to and EG. Okay, the extension of link DF to and EG. Okay, మనకి two balls అనేది fix అయి ఉంటాయి. ఆ two balls ఎలా fix అయినాయి? That is the DF link and another one is EG link. Okay, the arms are FP. Okay, the arms. This is the one of the arm FP and QG. The arms of FP and QG are the pivoted at the point P and Q. Okay, the FG point is FB or FP point is pivoted at point P. GQ point is pivoted at Q. Okay, this is the central load of the Proell governor. It has the central load, and this is the sleeve of. Okay, this is the sleeve. Okay, and we draw the line diagram of the Proell governor. Okay, here we draw the line diagram of the Proell governor. Here taking momentum of about I ganaka chusukunnatlaithe ikkada FM, FI and next one I to P. Okay, this is the fixed pivot point. This ball is, then here get the centrifugal force F and weight of the ball. Okay, here capital W equals to weight of the sleeve. Here we can draw the speed of the Proell governor. Okay, e governor nunchi we have draw the, we can derive the speed of the governor. Taking moment about I. Okay, the taking moment about I, that is FC, centrifugal force FC into, that is BM, FC into total length BM is equals to weight of the ball W into IM, weight of the ball W into the length of the IM in plus and weight of the sleeve capital W by 2 plus into ID, the length of the total length of the arm, that is ID. Here FC is equals to, here we derive the small w equals to, this is the one of the equation. Okay, this is the first equation. Here we know that capital W equals to mg. Okay, small w equals to mg and capital W is equals to capital M into G. Small m is mass of ball, capital M is mass of sleeve. Okay, and here ID equals to, the length of total ID is equals to IM plus MD, length of IM plus MD you can write. Okay, here substitute these values in this equation. This FC, centrifugal force FC into BM is equals to, FC into BM is equals to small w equals to mg plus mg into IM plus capital W equals to small m, capital M into G by 2 into ID. ID is nothing but generally ID equals to, that is IM plus MD. ID equals to IM plus MD. Here MB is comes this side. FC centrifugal force is equals to mg into IM by BM ga raskuntunna. Okay, plus capital mg by 2 IM divided by BM plus MD divided by BM, here you can write. Okay, and then next multiplying and dividing with FM. Okay, multiplying and dividing with Fn on both sides. Okay, multiplying and dividing Fn. Then we have here multiplying multiplying and dividing by Fm. Then we get the value of FC is equals to మనకు Fm తోని multiply and divide by చేస్తే మనకు FC is equals to Fm by Bm. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ Bm ని నేను కామన్ తీస్తున్నాను. Fm by Bm is equals to mg into Im by Fm. ఓకే, Bm ని కామన్ తీస్తే Fm ని ఇక్కడ మల్టిప్లై Im by Fm plus mg by 2. ఓకే, mg by 2 equals into Im by Fm plus md by Fm గా రాసుకున్నాను. Here I will write in this manner. Okay, here Im by Fm equals to tan alpha. This is the alpha, tan alpha. Okay, Im by Fm equals to tan alpha. Here Im by Fm is equals to tan alpha. Im by Fm equals to tan alpha. Okay, and next md by Fm equals to tan beta. md by Fm equals to tan beta. md by Fm equals to tan beta. Okay, here tan alpha and tan beta substitute in this equation. Then we get the value of here Fm by Bm. Okay, here Fc equals to Fm by Bm and mg. Okay, Fm by Bm into small mg into tan alpha. Here Im by Fm equals to tan alpha substitute chestunna and plus capital mg by 2. Okay, capital mg by 2 into here Im by Fm value tan alpha, md by Fm value tan beta. Here tan alpha plus tan beta. Okay, we get this equation. Here again we solve this equation, we get the value of Fc equals to Fm by Bm. Okay, Fm by Bm. Tan alpha ni common తీసుకున్నాం జనరల్ గా ఇక్కడ. Okay, tan alpha. Okay, tan alpha కామన్ ఉంది రెండిట్లో. tan alpha ని కామన్ తీస్తే మనకు ఇక్కడ ఏమొస్తుందంటే mg plus capital mg by 2 1 plus tan beta by tan alpha గా మనం ఈక్వేషన్ అనేది ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. Here we know that Fc equals to m into omega square into r. Okay, we know that value as earlier class already manaku telusu. Centrifugal force equals to m into omega square into r. Again tan alpha equals to r by h. Okay, no, tan alpha equals to r by h. And again tan beta by tan alpha equals to q. Okay, na, ee values ani manam already Porter governor and Watt governor manaku telusu ee values. Okay, equals to generally my Fc equals to m into omega square into r is equals to Fm by Bm. Okay, Fm by Bm into tan alpha is nothing but r by h. Tan alpha equals to r by h into m into g plus capital mg by 2. Here 1 plus tan beta by tan alpha is equals to q. Here tan alpha by tan beta equals to q ga raskuntunnaru. Here again omega square is equals to Fm by Bm into general ga మనం ఏం చేస్తున్నాం అంటే జనరల్ దీనికి here r value get cancel అవుతుంది and g రెండిట్లో g కామన్ ఉంది కాబట్టి g ని నేను బయటికి తీసుకెళ్తే ఏమవుతుందంటే m plus capital mg m plus capital m ని g ని కామన్ తీసుకుని కామన్ బయటికి తీసుకెళ్తే m plus capital m by 2 into 1 plus q, okay, into 1 plus q by m గా ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. ఓకేనా, బై m కూడా ఉంది కదా, m ని కూడా ఇటు సైడ్ తీసుకెళ్తే బై m ఇంటూ g by h. ఓకే, g by h గా ఫామ్ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ ఒమేగా, సబ్స్టిట్యూటింగ్ ఒమేగా ఈక్వల్స్ టు 2 pi n by 60. Okay, substituting omega equals to 2 pi n by 16 and g equals to 9.81. G equals to 9.81 meter per second square. Okay, here the values we substitute cheste, we get the value of Proell equation. That Proell equation here n2 square equals to n square is equals to fm by bm, fm by bm into m plus fm by bm m plus m by 2, capital M by 2, 1 plus q, capital M by 2, 1 plus q, and divided by m into, here g value is 9.81. okay, g value is 9.81 గా రాసుకోవచ్చు, but here we get the value of h value equals to 895 by h గా ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, 9.81 by h గా ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. బికాస్ ఆఫ్ ఇక్కడ 2 and 60 కూడా ఉంది, దాన్ని కూడా అటు సైడ్ తీసుకెళ్తే మనకు 895 అనే వాల్యూ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. హియర్ ఫైనల్లీ ఆల్ఫా ఈక్వల్స్ టు బీటా అండ్ q ఈక్వల్స్ టు 1 గా ఫామ్ చేసుకుంటే మనం ఫైనల్ గా n స్క్వేర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు fm by bm into m plus capital m plus capital M. Small అంటే ఏమంటే జనరల్ మనకి ఏంటిది, మాస్ ఆఫ్ బాల్, క్యాపిటల్ M అంటే మాస్ ఆఫ్ స్లీవ్, డివైడెడ్ బై m ఇంటూ 895 by h గా మనకు ఈక్వేషన్ అనేది ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. దిస్ ఈస్ ద స్పీడ్ ఆఫ్ ది Proell governor. In this manner we derive the speed of the Proell governor formula. Okay, and the next class we have discussed some of the problems on the Proell governor. Okay, thank you.